Hi everyone, I am Dr. A. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to see the subject IoT based system design. The topic is horizontal architecture approach for IoT systems. On completion of this video, students will be able to understand what is middleware, what is a horizontal architecture, and SOA based IoT middleware. So what is middleware? Middleware is a software that acts as a bridge enabling different application systems and services to communicate and interact with each other, even if they are built with different technologies. So the middleware is the system. It connects the operating systems and the applications. Let us see what are the types of middlewares. Database middleware, application server middleware, message oriented middleware, web middleware, and transaction processing monitors. Horizontal architecture approach for the IoT system. A systematic implementation of IoT ecosystem is usually based on the layered architecture style, which can range from data acquisition layer at the bottom to application layer at the top as shown in figure. This kind of architecture layers from the bottom usually contribute to devices integration and data capturing, while layers from the top are responsible for data distribution and visualization by IoT applications. Horizontal approach where a common operational platform is able to manage the network and the application services. This is the horizontal architecture. The first step towards the Internet of Things is the collection of information about the physical environment or about the object. Data acquisition is encompassed by using different sensing technologies attached to sensors, cameras, GPS terminals, while data collection is generally. Each layer is characterized by different interacting technologies and protocols and has different purpose and functions as discussed below. Perception layer. It refers to the procedure for sensing the physical environment, collecting the real-time data, and reconstructing general perceptions of it in a virtual world. Technologies such as RFID and the sensors provide the identification of the physical object and the sensing of physical parameters, while the technologies such as IEEE 802.15.4 and Bluetooth are responsible for data collection. Next one is the transportation layer. It includes mechanisms to deliver the collection of data and applications from the different external servers. Next one is the application layer. It deals with the processing and analyzing the information from forward data to applications and services and providing the feedback to control applications. In addition, it is responsible for critical functions such as device discovery, device management, data filtering, data aggregation, etc. Let us see about the SOA, that is service oriented architecture. It defines a way to make software components reusable and interoperable through the service interface. These services communicate with each other over a network, enabling different systems and applications to interact and integrate efficiently. Need of SOA is an SOA approach makes it easier to adapt changing the business. This is the SOA architecture. An example of SOA service could be a credit check service that can be used by the different banking applications, or a payment processing service that can be integrated in various e-commerce platforms. In service-oriented architecture, services functions independently and provide functionality or data exchanges to their consumers. The consumers request the information and send input data to the service. The service processes the data, perform the task, and send the feedback to the response. Thank you.